Alam mo ba na yung average cost ng cancer treatment sa Pilipinas ay aabot ng milyon? Ang tanong, kaya ba ng ipon mo agad-agad yun? Instead of draining your savings, bakit hindi ka nalang mag-set up ng comprehensive health and insurance plan na ready pag kailangan mo na? Hi, I'm Rai. I'm financial advisor for 10 years in Sun Life and I'm a manager for 6 years. I help families prepare for big financial risks like yung mga sakit. So, sa Sun Fit and Well Advantage, you can get these benefits. Number 1, coverage for 114 minor and major illnesses. Number 2, life insurance protection para sa family mo. Number 3, extra 50% benefit for 16 specific types of cancer. Number 4, hospital income benefit, meron kang sure na cash. Lastly, may cashback feature. So, may protection na plus savings in one. So, it's like 3-in-1 product. Protection, may savings, and may balik bayad because of the cash benefits. Gusto mo bang malaman ang computation and ano yung product na fit sa'yo? Message me directly on my social media accounts and share this to your family and friends. Bye!